In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from video in CapCut. Whether you're working on a creative project, isolating sound for a podcast, or just want to reuse audio from a video, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. CapCut is an excellent video editing tool, and with its simple interface, separating audio from video is quick and straightforward. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can download it and sign up using the link in the description below. Now let's jump right in and get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Once it's loaded, you'll want to start a new project. This is your workspace where all the editing magic happens. Now, go ahead and import your video file into the media library. You can do this by dragging the file directly into CapCut or using the import button to navigate to its location on your computer. The media library is essentially like your toolbox for all the files you'll use in your project. Once your video is in the media library, drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all your editing takes place. Think of it as the control center for arranging, trimming, and modifying your video and audio. By placing the file on the timeline, you gain access to all the editing features, including the option to extract audio. Now that your video is on the timeline, hover your mouse over the video clip and right-click on it. A context menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Extract Audio. This is the key step that separates the audio track from the video. By extracting the audio, you can edit it independently without making changes to the video itself. After selecting Extract Audio, wait for the audio to appear as a new track below the video in the timeline. This might take a few seconds, especially if you're working with a large video file, so don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. Just give it a moment to process. Once it's ready, you'll see the audio track displayed directly beneath the video. With the audio now separated, you have the freedom to edit it however you like. You can adjust the volume to make it louder or softer, trim unnecessary sections, cut specific parts, or even add effects to enhance the sound. This is especially useful if the audio quality needs improvement or if you want to repurpose it for a completely different project. Finally, if you want to use the audio in another project or save it as a standalone file, you can export it. To do this, start by selecting the audio track you've just edited. Follow the export prompts provided in CapCut. And when it asks you to name the file, choose something clear and descriptive, like interview audio extract or background music track. This will help you stay organized, especially if you're working with multiple files. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to extract audio from video in CapCut. Whether you're editing audio for professional projects or personal ones, this simple process makes it easy to separate, refine, and reuse your audio tracks. If you have any questions or tips for using CapCut, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.